Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to show you how I made two cute, inexpensive pumpkin arrangements. You will need some of the orange styrofoam pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and we just spray painted ours and then cut the top out and just remove the stem, and that way you can put flowers in it. And here I'm using some Dollar Tree. These are so nice, these jewels. They just stick right on. I did add a little bit of hot glue to the top because I knew that I would bump them when I put the flowers in, but they stick so good you would not have to use any hot glue unless you just want to. So we found these while we were camping over the summer. I've never used them before, but next time when I find them, I'm going to grab several packages because they're so cute and so easy to use, and it really just changes the look of the pumpkin. I am not good at painting, so this makes it so easy. Now these are the pearls. Now it came with some glue, but they stick, so I didn't have to use any of the glue. Now I did at the top add just a touch to get started, but they stick just perfect to the little pumpkins, and it just really dresses it up because who doesn't love pretty pearls? There's all kinds of ways that you can decorate these little pumpkins. You can spray paint them whatever color you want. You can paint them with polka dots, stripes, chevrons, put a face on it, or you can do like here I'm doing and just add some jewelry to it, if you want to say. So just dress your pumpkin up and make it fun for whatever style you're going for in your home decor. Let me know if you have ever used these stick-on beads before, because it says you could put them on, tennis shoes, clothing, lots of options, but I think they're really cute on a pumpkin. And now I just took some Halloween Dollar Tree floral picks, and then I had a couple from Dollar General, and I just cut them into shorter pieces. And then I didn't add any foam or glue to mine. I just stuck mine in the little pumpkin, and that way I can reuse them next year or change them up. So mine's just kind of like stuck in like you would stick in fresh flowers, and they stay in there just fine. I did 2 of the Halloween picks in each pumpkin. Now it wasn't super full or anything. You could fit in 3 if you wanted to, but I just put 2 floral picks in each pumpkin. These would look really pretty if you put like on your dining room table a spooky table runner, and then made like 4 or 5 of these to place, space out on your table runner, or they would look cute on a coffee table or on an entry table. So lots of fun options for these cute little pumpkin centerpieces. Now I also took some of the Dollar General Halloween picks, and I cut off a few of the glittery balls and stuck them in the arrangement just to kind of add like a whimsical Halloween look. Also, I had some black and white striped ribbon out, and I had planned to tie a bow and stick on the front of each arrangement, but I thought it kind of took away from the jewels that I stuck on it. So if you wanted to add a bow, I think that would be really cute, especially if you made a petite bow. For the second little Halloween arrangement, I took some green hydrangeas and some black roses, and I just cut them shorter. I like the lime green and black and purple and orange together for Halloween, and so I didn't have any orange flowers, so I just went with the black and the green. But if I had spray painted my pumpkin orange, I think that would look really cute too. But here I'm just gathering the flowers in my hand. So these are just 2 picks, and this one I did not add any of the little glitter balls from Dollar General. I just added the Dollar Tree flowers. So I gathered all of them in my hand, and I just placed them in the little pumpkin. And how easy and simple is that? You can do that so quick if you have guests coming and you need something a little fun and unexpected. These are so easy. You could even get your kids to help you put the jewels on the pumpkins. They come a bright orange, so if you want to use them just like they come, it'd be really cute and simple just to add flowers to them. And so this is what they look like. I just put them on my entry table. And so one on each side of my skeleton candy dish. So if you haven't seen that tutorial, I will link it in the description box below, because it's just a fun little candy dish that's kind of unexpected that I think the kids will like to get their Halloween candy out of. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you again soon.